In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Google Takeout of Google Photos. We will walk through creating a complete archive of your Google Photos library so you can store it safely on your computer. On your computer, open Google Takeout. You can search for Google Takeout in your browser, then click the official Google Takeout page. When the page loads, you will see a long list of different Google products with checkboxes next to each service. Now sign in to the Google account that contains your photos. Use the same account you normally use for Google Photos. After you sign in, you should see your account avatar in the top right corner, which confirms you are in the correct account before moving on. Next, click Deselect All. This clears every product from the list. The list may scroll for several screens, so this saves you from accidentally exporting data you do not need. After you click it, every checkbox on the page should be empty. From there, find Google Photos and check the box. You can scroll down until you see Google Photos listed with the Google Photos icon. Once you tick that single box, only your Photos library will be included in the export. Now click Next Step. You will see a new section with several options that control how your export is delivered and formatted. This is where you choose how Google prepares your download. Under Delivery Method, select Send Download Link via email. This tells Google to email you a link when the archive is ready. On screen, you should see the text showing that a download link will be sent to your Gmail inbox. Under Export Type, select One-Time Archive. That means Google will create a single export right now, instead of setting up repeated automatic exports. Beginners sometimes think this has to be scheduled, but for a backup, you usually just need this one-time option. Under File Type, select Zip. A zip file can be opened on Windows, Mac, and most Linux systems without extra tools. Once selected, you will see zip shown next to file type so you know the format is correct. Next, choose an archive size. Google says choosing 50 gigabytes can reduce the number of separate archive files if you have a large library. If your library is smaller, you might see that everything fits into one single zip file. The size you choose will determine how many files appear later in your email. With your options chosen, click Create Export. The page will update to show the export is in progress. For large photo libraries, this process can take from several minutes to many hours, but you can close the tab and your export will continue on Google's servers. When the export is ready, open the email from Google. It will arrive in the inbox for the account you used earlier, and it will mention Google Takeout and Google Photos in the subject line so you can recognize it. Inside that email, click Download Archive. This opens a Google Takeout download page in your browser. You should see one or more archive entries listed with download buttons and file sizes. If prompted, sign in again. Google sometimes asks for your password a second time when you download large archives. Once you complete that sign-in, you will return directly to the download page. Now download the zip file or files. Click each download button and your browser will start saving them. On most browsers, you can watch the progress in the downloads bar so you know when each file finishes. On Windows, right-click each zip file and select Extract All. This opens the built-in extraction tool. After you confirm the location and click Extract, Windows will create a normal folder with the same name as the zip file. Finally, open the extracted Google Photos folder to access your photos and videos. Inside, you will see your images organized into subfolders, often by album or date, along with any videos that were in your Google Photos library. Google recommends downloading and viewing Takeout exports on a desktop computer rather than a mobile device because large archives are easier to manage on a full computer. You have now created and downloaded a complete Google Takeout archive of your Google Photos library to your computer, ready for backup or organizing. If this helped you secure your Google Photos, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more clear how-to guides like this.